Hi! You need to turn off the scroll lock if you cannot move from cell to cell in Microsoft Excel with arrows. To turn off the scroll lock, find the keyboard button that says Scroll Lock. Try now. If your keyboard does not have a scroll lock button, you can click the Start button and type on-screen keyboard and open it. You will see that the scroll lock button is enabled. Click on it to disable it. Now your arrows will work. Don't forget to like and subscribe.